What you doing, bud? Did Mommy tell you not to go in the tree? Does it not count if it's not all the way up yet? Hey, buddy. You're messing up all my lights already. Hey, Fallon. Fallon. You want to get out of the tree? Oh my gosh, I know, it's so fun. You're lucky. Mommy loves you so much. 'Cause you're so cute when you're bad. Huh? Valley. Say bye. I'm a bad kitty.